And we're just off the coast of the Carolinas now, in the Outer Banks area, and that's the direction we understand the storm is headed. It's got a ways to go. It's clear here. There's a little bit of structure in the clouds, but not much. I take that back. There's thin stuff that's actually spiraling way out here. In Houston, we're just talking here, and it struck us. We're used to traveling a long ways in a short amount of time, but this storm is stretching from Cuba to the Carolinas, and that is one scary big storm.
Yeah, you bet, Mike. I mean, it was almost 6 minutes that you guys were directly over that thing, so that just gives us a little bit of the scale. It's pretty incredible.
Nah, because the lights are coming next to each other. Look, there's more coming this way. Look, there's more. Oh, shit. What the fuck is that?
Damn.
Oh, you can't see on your phone? Are you recording that?
I can't see on there. I saw you record, I'm like, you pointing out, what the fuck is that?
And look, they just disappeared. No, does it look like meteorites? No, man.
Nah, they can't do that.
Nah. Whatever it is, it's some weird shit. It ain't no helicopters. Because helicopters wouldn't be flying into each other. Oh, that looks weird, man. I know I'm seeing it through the window. I saw something. I don't know what is that. Yeah, you saw that shit?
There was like 20 of them.
Yeah.
This is very nigga.
It disappeared now, huh?
You got zoom on your phone?
Huh?
You can zoom in on your phone?
It doesn't zoom that far. That's far to go.
Oh, my phone, I just see dots.
Yeah.
So I was like, no point.